Hi everyone, so in this video we're going to show you how to link your Google Analytics account to your Google AdWords account, and it's very easy. The first thing that you need to do is you need to have your own Google Analytics account. In order to create one, you just need to go into Google Analytics and create a new account. It's very straightforward and it's very easy to do. We'll do another video to show you how to do this, but for this one it's just the linking part. So once you log into your Google Analytics, you're gonna land on your home section. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into admin over here. You're gonna click it and you're gonna see that we have a bunch of different options. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go under properties and we're gonna do Google Ads linking. So we're gonna click that. So it says the selected linked Google Ads account. So this is the number that we have displayed right now. So we just want to confirm that it's the same one from our Google Analytics account because we don't want to link to another Google account, obviously. So we're just going to go into our account and we're just going to make sure that it's the same number. It is, and we can see it up here as well. So we're just going to click it and we're going to click continue. And the link group title is going to be training Zebra Analytics. And we're gonna select this part that is to get all the data from the landing page. I don't know why it's in Italian. We changed that option, but here we go. So we're gonna click link accounts. So success, everything's linked. So what's next? We can go into Google AdWords and we can see analytics engagement metrics on Google Ads, which is AdWords. We can import goals and e-commerce transactions into Google Ads, and we can create a remarketing audience in analytics. So that's all good news. So we're gonna click done. And once we are linked, we just wanna confirm that everything has been linked properly. So we're just gonna go into our Google Ads account. And once you land here, you're gonna go into tools. And on tools, you're gonna go into the setup section and you're gonna click linked accounts. So you're gonna see that you have a bunch of different options here, and we're just gonna click on Google Analytics. So we're gonna click on details, and we're gonna see that it's not linked. So this can be for a number of different reasons. So we're just gonna go ahead and let's refresh the page first of all, just to make sure. And it's linked. I just needed to refresh the page. No harm, no foul, so everything's linked and we're gonna start getting traffic soon from our Google Analytics account, and we can start creating our remarketing audiences and start targeting with ads and fun stuff like that. If you liked our video, please comment below. If you want any more videos, please let us know as well. Please like our YouTube channel and have a good day. Thank you for watching.